Big, small, beautiful, old, new. How do you describe the world around you in Japanese? Today, you're going to find out. Let's go. Hey friend, welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and with me as always,
ヒロです。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hiro. Okay, so last episode, episode 16, we learned how to describe people. Tall, short, kind, funny, smart. We covered physical descriptions and personality. Today, we're taking those skills and applying them to the world around us, places and things. Because here's the thing, once you can describe what you see, everything opens up. You can ask for help, go shopping, give directions, tell a story. It all starts with adjectives.
形容詞
Keiyoshi, adjectives, the describing words. And the good news? A lot of the patterns we learned in episode 16 work exactly the same way here, so you already have a head start. Today, by the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe colors, sizes, and the quality of places and things, all in natural Japanese. Let's start with the most visual thing, colors. Hiro, what's the word for color in Japanese?
色
Iro, color. So what color is it? Is nani iro desu ka? Nani iro desu ka? Let's go through the main colors. Hiro, hit us.
赤い
Akai, red. Notice it ends in e. That's a clue that it's an e adjective, meaning it connects directly to nouns. Akai kuruma, a red car.
青い
Aoi, blue. Aoi sora, a blue sky. Beautiful.
黄色い
Kiroi, yellow. Kiroi hana, yellow flowers.
白い
Shiroi, white. Shiroi kami, white paper or white snow.
黒い
Kuroi, black. We know this one from episode 16, black hair. Kuroi neko, a black cat.
茶色い
Chairoi, brown. Chairoi inu, a brown dog.
緑
Midori, green. Now, this one's slightly different. Midori is actually a noun that works as a color. So when it goes before a noun, you say midori no ki, a green tree. The no connects it.
緑の木
Midori no ki, perfect. And one more very useful one, pink.
ピンク
Pink, straight from English, pink. And like midori, you use pinku no before a noun. Pinku no hana, pink flowers. Now let's quickly drill them all. I'll say the color in English, you say it in Japanese. Ready? Red,
赤い
akai, blue,
青い
aoi, yellow,
黄色い
kiroi, white,
白い
shiroi, black,
黒い
kuroi, green,
緑
Midori. Amazing! Colors are done. Now let's move to size, because this is super useful when you're shopping, sightseeing, or just describing anything around you. Big and small. Hiro.
大きい小さい
Oki, chisai. Big and small. We've actually seen both of these before. Mega oki from episode 16, big eyes, and chisai from the cafe episode. These are really foundational words. Oki mise, a big shop. Chisai heya, a small room. Heya means room, by the way. Useful word.
部屋
Heya, room. What about tall or high, like a tall building?
高い
Takai, high or tall, also means expensive. So takai biru is a tall building, but takai at a shop means expensive. Same word, two meanings depending on context. Very Japanese. And low or short for objects?
低い
Hikui, low. Hikui tana, a low shelf. And wide versus narrow?
広い狭い
Hiroi, semai, wide or spacious, and narrow or cramped. These two come up so much when describing rooms, streets, stations. Hiroi koen, a spacious park. Semai heya, a cramped little room. Anyone who stayed in a Tokyo hotel knows semai very well.
はい狭い部屋
Right? If you're enjoying this episode and finding these words useful, hit that subscribe button. We love building this community, and it means a lot to us to have you here.
お願いします。
Coming up next, quality adjectives. New, old, beautiful, dirty, the words that bring descriptions fully to life. Welcome to part 2. We've got colors and size. Now let's add the quality words. These are the ones that really let you express opinions about places and things. Is the restaurant nice? Is the hotel old? Is the view beautiful? All coming up. Let's start with beautiful and ugly, or in Japanese terms, pretty versus not pretty. Hiro.
きれい。
Kirei, beautiful or clean. Yes, this word does double duty. It means both beautiful and clean. Kirei na mise, a beautiful shop or a clean shop. Context tells you which. And it's a na adjective, just like Genki and Shizuka from episode 16. So you need na before a noun. Kirei na mise.
きれいな店。
Kirei na mise. What about the opposite? Dirty.
汚い。
Kitanai, dirty. Kitanai heya, a dirty room. New and old?
新しい。古い。
Atarashi, furui, new and old. Atarashi hoteru, a new hotel. Furui otera, an old temple. Otera is temple, by the way. You'll see lots of those in Japan. And furui for old things, but remember, we don't use furui for people. For people, you use different words. Furui is for objects and places. Now, expensive and cheap. We touched on takai for expensive. What's cheap?
安い。
Yasui, cheap or inexpensive. Yasui restaurant, a cheap restaurant. Takai hoteru, an expensive hotel. These two are so useful for travel and shopping.
安い。大好き。
Yasui daisuki, I love cheap. Same. Okay, near and far.
近い。遠い。
Chikai, toi, near and far. Chikai eki, a nearby station. Toi mise, a faraway shop. And busy versus quiet, like a street or area.
にぎやか。静か。
Nigiyaka, shizuka, lively and busy versus quiet and calm. We know shizuka from episode 16 for quiet people. It works for places too. Nigiyaka na machi, a lively town. Shizuka na koen, a quiet park. Both na adjectives.
にぎやかな街。
Nigiyaka na machi. Now, the most important structure for describing things. これは blank des. This is blank. Super simple, super powerful. Hiro, demo.
これは新しいです。
これは新しいです. This is new. これ means this, pointing at something right in front of you. これはきれいです. This is beautiful. これは高いです. This is expensive. Or if something is far away, あれ, that is.
あれは古いです。
あれは古いです. That is old. あれ is for things far away. And for things at a medium distance, それ, that one near you.
それは安いです。
それは安いです. That is cheap. これ、それ、あれ. This, that over there. 3 levels of distance. Now let's put it all together in some real scenarios. Scenario 1. You're visiting a famous temple in Kyoto. You want to describe it to your friend back home. Hiro.
このお寺は古くてとてもきれいです。
このお寺は古くてとてもきれいです. This temple is old and very beautiful. Kono means this, kono plus a noun, kono otera, this temple, and furukute, old connected with te, meaning and, old and beautiful. とてもきれい, very beautiful.
上手。
Scenario 2. You're apartment hunting in Tokyo and describing your options to a friend. Hiro.
この部屋は狭いですが安いです。あの部屋は広くて新しいです。でも高いです。
Okay, that was a full comparison. この部屋は狭いですが安いです. This room is small but cheap. あの部屋は広くて新しいです. That room over there is spacious and new. でも高いです. But it's expensive. あの is that over there, like あれ but before a noun. あの部屋, that room over there. This is real Tokyo apartment language.
リアル。
So real. Scenario 3. You're at a market and want to ask about something you're looking at.
これは何ですか？
これは何ですか? What is this? The most useful question in any shop or market. And if you want to say, this looks delicious, which comes up all the time at food markets,
これは美味しそうです。
これはおいしそうです. This looks delicious. おいしそう. The so ending means it looks like or it seems. おいしそう. It looks delicious. You'll use this constantly at Japanese food stalls and restaurants. The vendor will love it.
喜ぶ。
喜ぶ, they'll be happy. Drop a comment and tell us, what would you describe using today's words? Pick something near you right now and describe it in Japanese. Use これは blank des. We want to see. Home stretch. Let's bring everything together. We're going to do one full connected description, the kind you'd actually say in Japan, then drill all the key words, and you'll be done. Hiro, describe this scene for us. You're standing outside a beautiful old shrine in a quiet area of Kyoto. What do you see?
ここはとても静かです。神社は古くてきれいです。木は緑で、空は青いです。
Perfect! ここはとても静かです. Here is very quiet. 神社は古くてきれいです. The shrine is old and beautiful. 木は緑で、空は青いです. The trees are green and the sky is blue. Gorgeous description, Hiro.
ありがとう。
Okay, lightning round. English to Japanese as fast as you can. Red,
赤い。
赤い. Big,
大きい。
大きい. Beautiful and clean.
きれい。
きれい. Old,
古い。
古い. Cheap,
安い。
安い. Spacious,
広い。
広い. Near,
近い。
近い. Lively,
にぎやか。
にぎやか. This is
これは。
これは. You nailed every single one. Let's do our final full recap. Colors: 赤い red, 青い blue, 黄色い yellow, 白い white, 黒い black, 茶色い brown, 緑 green. Size: 大きい big, 小さい small, 高い tall and expensive, 低い low, 広い spacious, 狭い cramped. Quality: きれい beautiful and clean, 汚い dirty, 新しい new, 古い old, 安い cheap, 近い near, 遠い far, にぎやか lively, 静か quiet, and the key structure: これは this. This is blank.
完璧。
完璧. Perfect. Your challenge this week. Next time you're somewhere interesting, describe it in Japanese. Use at least 3 adjectives. Post your description in the comments. We genuinely read every single one, and Hiro will be checking.
見るよ。
If this episode helped you describe the world around you in Japanese, please smash that like button. It really helps other learners find this channel. And share this with someone who's been wanting to learn Japanese. Send it right now.
シェアして。
Subscribe if you haven't yet. Every episode builds on the last, and we have so much more coming.
お願いします。
Coming up in episode 18, we're going to the konbini, the Japanese convenience store, one of the most unique and essential parts of daily life in Japan. You'll learn how to ask for heated items, chopsticks, bags, handle payment, and navigate the whole konbini experience in Japanese.
コンビニ大好き。
Same, Hiro, same. You just learned to describe the world around you in Japanese.
またねみんな。
じゃあね. See you next time.